Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send large files as links. So this is very simple. You need to go to the Google Drive. Okay, after that you can see this interface will be available. Now at the bottom right corner you can see a plus button. Click on the plus button. Now you can see a button upload at the middle part. Just click on the upload button. Now you have to select your large file that you want to upload here. Just for example, let's say this is the particular file I have uploaded. So now this is very simple. You have to click on the three dot button here. Now you can see there are many options here. You have to click on the manage access option at the second place. Click on it. Okay, now you can see that this is set as anyone with the link. So this may be another thing, so you have to click on the change option and make sure it is selected as anyone with link. Otherwise it will be selected as restricted, only people added can open. So you can make it to anyone with the link. After that, at the top right corner you can see a link button always appearing, or a link button just beside the general access. So you have to click on the link button and that's it. The link has been copied and you can easily share this link to anyone and he or she will be able to open this link and download that particular content. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.